Hey everyone, welcome back to API Coder. Today I am excited to showcase a project that highlights importance of cybersecurity, a Django-based phishing app. This demonstration is made to educate and raise awareness about how phishing attack can design and how they work. So you can see this is the dashboard. From here we can see all of the images of victim. So I will click on this link so you can see it's a title capture image of victim. So you can see the image is being captured along with GPS means location. So when you click on the latitude longitude, so this location will be saved during capture image. So you can say it's telling exact information of your victims to whom you have sent link. Okay, I'll go back. You can see this is the copy URL to send link. So guys, I'll just open this link. So you can see it will act like a YouTube video player. So when you send the link to the victim, so he will think that it's only a normal or funny video to whom you have embedded the video. It's only a YouTube video. So you can see it's a YouTube video playing, but in the background JavaScript is accessing camera and location and sent to our Django database, to our Django. Okay, so you can see when you send this link, sorry, this link, when you send this link, I'll just copy this link and suppose I'll just send this. So when I send this link, so you can say it's playing a video, okay, but in the background his victim image is being captured and along with the location. So how to see that? You can say view image. So you can say it's a capture ad. It will also show the exact date time of victim. So you can say capture ad July 27 and 3:08 p.m. okay, along with latitude and longitude. So this is how we can create a Django based phishing app. So guys, if you like this project, so make sure to like, and one more thing, please, this is only for educational purpose. Do not misuse this phishing app. And also I will just share the source code and link in the description, so go and use, but do not misuse this. Okay, bye bye.